Welcome everyone. In this video, we will learn how to apply the alpha effect in Flint UI Designer to control the transparency of a widget at runtime. This is useful when you want certain UI elements to appear semi-transparent, fade in based on logic, or be fully visible or hidden based on data values. First, drag and drop the widget you want to apply the effect to. This could be an image, a button, or a text. With the widget selected, open the Properties panel. Go to the Effects tab and click Add Effect. From the list, choose Alpha Effect. Once the alpha effect is added, you'll see a field to set the alpha value. 0 means fully transparent. 255 means fully opaque. Values between 0 and 255 give partial transparency. Next, create a data variable that will control the opacity of a widget at runtime. Now, map the data variable and save the project, and click Export All. Run the simulation and update the alpha variables to see how the widget's transparency looks. And that's how you apply the alpha effect in Flint UI Designer. Thanks for watching. Try different alpha values to refine your UI visuals and stay tuned for more UI effect tutorials. Thank you.